Isn't it funny how one job can lead to 5 more? So while I was doing the clutch mod, I've been looking at my wiring for some time, and we've made a few changes since I got the bike, and it was looking just a little bit messy, so I thought I'd take advantage of taking the tank off to do a few other jobs, including putting some heat shrink wrap around these wires just to black it out a little bit, and want to try and get rid of some of these coloured wires. I ordered this length of 3:1 heat shrink tubing off Amazon.com, and the reason why I went for the wider tube is it's got to go around 5 wires, and when this came I thought, oh my gosh, that might just be too big, so I cut a little sample out just to see if that would work, and heat shrunk it, and it's amazing, it's actually come out like this as well, so really pleased with that. It's obviously a lot thicker as well, so it should act as both an insulator and just protected the wires inside as well, so, and that's pretty durable, so I'm going to use this as a length to cover up those 5 wires. Here we're measuring 6mm or 1/4 of an inch from the end of the shaft on the push rod, and this is where we're going to cut the push rod here. Well, I think we cracked it. It's miles better is the clutch. I think we've got it. Possibly just a little bit more fine-tune adjusting, but we covered 75 miles today and it went without a hitch, without a problem as well. Just did some adjusting during the ride and then got me home without a problem. So really happy with the clutch. And so I think for now, that's the end of this project. All right, on to the next project. See you later, guys. Bye.